Today on JD Cars, I'm trying out paintless dent repair on a number of different vehicles with a couple different methods and zero experience. Alright, so we have here EV Boys Paintless Dent Repair Damage Dent and Ding Removal Kit from Amazon, of course. Comes in a nice little bag. Let's see what we get here. Some instructions, little microfiber cloth. Looks like an array of small little button heads, and it looks like these are actually for tapping against the vehicle. We have one of the dent puller designs. This is the little slider puller, really basic. What I'm really interested to see is this guy. I thought the feet on this were going to be adjustable in distance from each other, but I guess they're fixed from the looks of it here. Should be alright. This is the lever type dent puller, and we also get a slide hammer. So this is the other puller design. We have 3 different pullers included, which is pretty cool. Nice cheap little hot glue gun. Crazy looking hot glue sticks here. Never seen a black or dark orange glue stick, but I'm sure it's some strong stuff. These are all the different little button attachments that connect to our slide hammer and that little lever, little rubberized mallet, spray bottle, and a plastic scraper, and a stand for our hot glue gun. Alright, time to get this thing plugged in and we'll see if this works. This is the dent we're working with today here. It's really not that bad, but it is noticeable if you look at it from the right angle. And it's noticeable from about here all the way back to here. So it's about 3 inches long, and there's not a button this long. So I'm probably gonna have to start in the center here, try pulling it, maybe start on the end, pull, and move my way down to get this out. I've selected 4 little guys here. I have a long rectangular one, a long oval one, and 2 smaller ones, because I'm not sure if the larger one is just going to be too big to even effectively pull that. I might start with the smaller ones, to be honest. Kind of makes more sense. This fits in the dent a little bit better. But let's give it a shot, see what happens. Alright, so as you can see from all these little pieces of glue, I hit this probably, I don't know, over a dozen times with the little puller tool, and I'm really happy with this. I probably got it 95% of the way out. You can see with the light here, it's not perfect, but from the side, it looks 10 times better. You can hardly see a dent. Once we compound and polish this and get rid of the scratching, you're hardly even gonna notice it. So I'm really stoked. This is a really great little kit for the money. You get the puller, you get the slide hammer, and I didn't use the bridge tool, but you get that as well. And should probably shut this glue gun off. It will burn the place down. But yeah, it works. I was pretty skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. I did not think this was gonna work, but she did. I also got a dent out on this side, on this rocker panel right here. There was a dent right there. You can kind of see the remnants. But that one came out really good. So for 70 bucks, instead of sending it to a professional that charges several $100s per dent, I think this is an excellent buy. It's worth a shot. Worst case, you lose 60 bucks, but best case, you get some dents out and increase the value of your vehicle. Whew, that's bright. As you can see from the snow on the ground and my wearing not summer clothing, it's been a couple months since I filmed this paintless dent repair video. This is one of those videos that's been sitting on the hard drive, and I figured I would share it with you because I found it helpful on the Jeep, and I found it even more helpful on the Tacoma behind me here. And after using this kit on a truck with different bodywork, with different metal than the Jeep, I can say this is certainly worth the 60 bucks. Because I'm fairly certain that Jeep door was pretty thick steel. Those Jeep doors are pretty heavy for what they are, and I was working in a very tight section, not in the middle of the door, but down in a firm lower section of the door. When I hit the Tacoma with the paintless dent repair kit, it was like boom, like maybe 1, 2, 3 tries and I was done. Aside from pulling a few dents out of the doors and whatnot, I actually pulled a really substantial dent out of the roof. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. I think there's still some remnants. Which side was it? I think it was the passenger side here. Yeah, there's still some very slight remnants. You can see a little bit of unevenness in the roof there. But there is a huge dent from like maybe someone sitting down here, or I don't even know. Probably the size of a small dinner plate. So I took the slide hammer to that and slid it up. I think I have footage of this that I can overlay, but I slid the slide hammer here maybe a few times and boom, the roof looks terrific. So yeah, I felt I should come back out here with the camera, make an updated outro, because this is in fact a really good kit and it does work. Just maybe not all the time, and maybe not with the same precision that a professional's tool set will. But if you're in a pinch, if you're working on a 250,000-mile truck like this, or just trying to get a small dent out of a vehicle before selling it, it's definitely worth a shot. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go leave a like down below. As always, leave any questions or comments down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on JD Cars.